Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to my channel, Shri Educational Channel. Current affairs lo first bit. Which of the following team has won FIH Hockey 5S Women's World Cup 2024 by defeating India in the finals held at Muscat, Oman? The correct answer, Netherlands. Next question. How many times has Nitish Kumar taken oath as the Chief Minister of Bihar as of January 2024? The correct answer is 9 times. Next one. Recently, which state's tourism department has launched Beach Vigil app for its citizens to report any illegalities regarding beaches? The correct answer, Goa. Fourth one. Recently, who among the following became the first female officer to be promoted to the rank of Subedar in Indian Army? The correct answer, Neena Singh. Next one. Rohan Bopanna, with whom of the following won the men's doubles title at the Australia Open and set a new record as the oldest man to win a Grand Slam title? The correct answer, Matthew Ebden. Thank you.